May buntag, may hapon, may gabi ninyong tanan mga guys, no? Oh, grabe experience na kung lawa. Kaya na mila ka wala sayas niya nakamata ko galas city ko rin. Grabe, di po ko pa sa driver nga mo drive sa service. Kay lagi mo lakaw na may na lang gyud kay kung gipukaw ako niya pabay. Grabe, thank you kay ring driver no. At yun nga mga kuys, no, pumunta na nga kami kasi nung Merkulis hindi ko nakuha yung hindi kami naka-attend kasi hindi nga natuloy yung time na yun, yung seminars na yun.
Work-related shortcut. Safety, what is shortcut? That is just okay. In general, what is your feelings?
Speed or hitting the way opposite the walkway.
Okay. But generally, what we're trying to do, because the next question will be, what are you trying to achieve when you do shortcut? You're trying to shorten time, Sana. Time. You're trying to save time. Yes? Now tell me this. If you think safely, you think so that you're actually saving time.
At salamat no kay more 30 minutes raman siguro 40. Natapos na dayon ng among seminars training. Kaya thank you no. Sobrang thank you talaga. Kaya pauwi na kami dito mga koys. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali sa inyong tanan. Goodbye.